Let's see what I'm using for the first DIY. I'm using acrylic mirror tiles which I got on eBay. The link is in the description. It is kind of thick, not like the flexible mirror sheets we usually see. Then I'm making a plan for the mirror. I ended up with a plan where I need to cut few tiles because we need to fill the sides of the mirror. Then I'm using 2 scalers, 1 pencil and a craft knife. I'm using double-sided foam stickers on the scaler. Then I mark a straight line before I'm cutting it into a triangular shape. The foam stickers will help us to keep the scaler in place while we are using the knife. It will not move around and slip. Then I used a craft knife and cut it very carefully. There is a thin layer of protective sheet on the rear side of the mirror. We can remove it later once we fix that onto the wall. Just before I'm attaching the mirror to the wall, I marked a few spots on the wall and I used a spirit level to keep it straight. Then I fixed the mirror into the wall one by one. The adhesive stickers comes with the mirror tiles itself, if you wonder. I'm using self-adhesive wall borders as a frame for the mirror. The link is in the description. It's made of foam, so you can cut it so easily.